Are you tired of spending hours in the kitchen every day? Well, as a registered dietitian nutritionist, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll be sharing my top 5 proven hacks for saving time in the kitchen. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. My first tip is to set it and forget it with a slow cooker. This is great for batch cooking a bunch of servings of the same recipe for more meals later on. This is what I personally do. I always love doing those one-pot meals with my pressure cooker or a slow cooker, so that way I can have many meals as leftovers. You can choose a recipe that is suitable for slow cooking, such as a stew, soup, curry, or roast. Prep the ingredients the night before, store them in the refrigerator until you're ready to cook, and then the next morning, before you leave for the day, follow your slow cooker recipe and add all the ingredients to the slow cooker. Set the time and temperature, and it will be ready for dinner when you get home. Tip number 2 is to freeze your way to a faster meal with frozen fruits and vegetables. So the benefits of buying frozen fruits and vegetables is you don't have to worry about washing, peeling, chopping. Most of those frozen fruits and veggies are pre-chopped to save you time. There's also less waste, so this is going to save you time and effort during meal prep. Frozen fruits and vegetables are often cheaper too than fresh produce, making them a more affordable option. They can be stored for longer periods of time as well without spoiling. Frozen fruits and veggies are just as nutritious as fresh produce because they are picked and frozen at peak ripeness. They can be used in a variety of recipes, from smoothies to stir fries, making meal planning and preparation more versatile. Remember to look for frozen fruits and vegetables that have no added sugar or added salt. Tip number 3 is to batch cook grains at the beginning of the week. Inexpensive and often available in bulk. Grains can be the basis of meals or sides throughout the week. You can cook a large batch of rice or quinoa at once to save time and effort, and then just store the cooked grains in an airtight container in the fridge for later use. You can add flavor to the grains by cooking them in broth or spices. Tip number 4 is from store to table. Use a rotisserie chicken for quick and easy meal planning. An easy way to add protein to any meal is to buy a rotisserie chicken when you go to the grocery store. This is so easy. You can literally have protein ready to eat. All you gotta do is heat it up. There's no prep at all for sandwiches, salads, soups, and wraps because you can have this rotisserie chicken to have as leftovers as your no prep protein throughout the week. It'll save you so much time and effort as it eliminates the need to cook and season a whole chicken yourself. Tip number 5 for saving time in the kitchen is from pantry to plate. Using canned protein is a meal planning shortcut for anyone who needs to save time in the kitchen. Get your protein in 30 seconds with canned beans, canned tuna, or canned chicken and beef. You can even find shredded beef in a pouch. Canned protein is a quick and easy way to add protein to any meal. It has a long shelf life, making it a great pantry staple for meal planning. Canned protein can be used in a variety of dishes such as salads, sandwiches, casseroles, and wraps. Usually when people aren't getting enough protein in our diet, they will start having cravings for sweet foods like refined carbohydrates. And so canned protein is a great solution. Speaking of cravings, I have a free online class where I teach you how to get rid of unhealthy food cravings for good without giving up your favorite foods, even if you've struggled with unhealthy food cravings for many years. In the class, I teach you how to identify the root cause of your unhealthy food cravings and how to get rid of them for good. You'll also learn how to use my proven method to reduce and replace unhealthy food cravings so that you can get healthy again and lose weight quickly. So if you want to sign up for my free class on food cravings, the link is in the description box below. All right, so let's recap. We just went over my top tips on how to save you time in the kitchen. I made a handout with all of these tips listed, so all you have to do is download it and you can save it to your phone or you can print it out if you want to so that way you have it. And that way when you're looking to save time in your kitchen, you can just look at this handout and it'll help you for meal planning throughout the week. The link is in the description box below. My name is Teresa. I help men and women transform their bodies through simple diet and lifestyle changes so that they can lose weight, eat without feeling guilty, and fit into their favorite clothes again. If you would like to have your own personal nutritionist to help you reach your health and lifestyle goals, then you are welcome to connect with me for a free consult and talk with me about a struggle you're having with your diet and lifestyle habits. We can explore some options that might be helpful for you, and I have a special link that is for anyone watching this video. So to sign up for the free consult, just go to missnutrition.com/schedule. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.